You'd think that it would be impossible for a man like Elon Musk to find industrial success in a country like China, but his Gigafactory in Shanghai tells a whole different story. Just what makes this factory the leading model of success? Well, allow us to pull back the curtains in today's video. All of Tesla's Gigafactories are something to marvel at, but the one in Shanghai is nothing like the rest. Why is that? Well, it's all because the factory is the first fully foreign-owned factory in China. Giga 3 is located a 90-minute drive away from Shanghai and expands over 210 acres. Go big or go home seems to be Musk's motto when it comes to his factories. The Gigafactory in Nevada expands over 1.9 million square feet. Anyway, the land for the new shop didn't come cheap. Elon had to spend $150 million to close the deal. That might seem like a big number, but in the long run, Elon was most definitely able to get a return on his investment. Production. When you have a factory this massive, of course, the production is going to be through the roof as well. Giga 3 easily pulls off 300,000 Model 3s and 250,000 Model Ys. Only 1/5 of these are meant for export. The rest of these vehicles are driven on the roads of China. Last year, Giga Shanghai shocked the world by manufacturing 100,000 vehicles in November. To get a scale of the production, you can watch the factory tour video uploaded by Tesla China. You'll notice that the factory is lined by rows and rows of driver ports. You can imagine the number of deliveries made by the factory in a day. The factory follows the lean manufacturing model by Toyota, which basically means that the right parts arrive at the factory when needed. What this does is maximize productivity, allowing Giga Shanghai to pull off those insane numbers. What's more, the parking lot of the factory is over 860,000 square meters. With that said, the factory is currently priced at $2.5 billion. But that's not a fixed price tag, because the factory is constantly under expansion. Perhaps the most mind-blowing thing about Giga Shanghai is that it's not just up the production numbers, but it also improved the quality of the cars. You'll find the sound insulation and sealing in the Model 3 to be much better. Not to mention that production costs for Tesla Model 3 have dropped by 28%. Before, the car remained mostly unaffordable for Chinese consumers because of transportation, but with in-house production, those extra costs have been removed. What's more, this Gigafactory, like the rest, prides itself in being zero net energy. Employees at the factory. As for who pulls off the production, you've got machines and humans working in harmony. When you find the factory to lean towards robots, humans form an integral part of the production process. There are 2,000 workers working at the factory during the day. Areas that are robot-centric are monitored by the workers for their miniature booths. There are also cameras that monitor tight spots where the workers' deedful eyes can't go. Cars move down production lines while robots and humans interfere at different points to piece together the final product. After a car is done being assembled, it heads to the testing phase, which again falls under the employees. The car's system is booted to factory mode and is taken through the testing phase. There's a network of roads right outside the factory where the employees take the car for a test drive. Expansion plans. While the factory is massive at its current size, Elon Musk is not done yet. He apparently has plans to expand the Gigafactory, driving up the production from 1 million vehicles a year to 2 million. Last year, there were rumors about Tesla acquiring a 114-acre plot of land right next to the factory. This is all part of a third phase of the factory's construction. While these expansion plans sound really exciting, there's been a slight delay in setting things in motion. Apparently, officials in China have some newfound concerns about letting a billionaire like Musk have more of a presence and industrial control in their country. These concerns mostly have to do with Musk's communications satellite network. Beijing officials apparently have data privacy concerns, even though Tesla vehicles make no use of Starlink. Still, it's not much to worry about. Musk has managed to win over China once, and we have no doubt that he'll do it again, showing us the heights of what he's capable of achieving. Regardless of the expansion, the current factory is on a path to greatness as it continues to source local products for production, allowing for maximum profits and whatnot. Musk is already calling Giga Shanghai the template for future growth. The tech icon has plans to build 10 to 20 Gigafactories in the future, and this is the guinea pig. Click one of the two videos on your screen right now.